Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple, very easy, beautiful flower. I use 4-ply yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. You're also going to need scissors and a tapestry needle. So let's get started. First we're going to make a slip knot. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join into first chain to create a ring. Now we're going to work into a ring. Chain 2. 1, 2. We're going to work 3 double crochets into this space right in here. First double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops. That's 1, 2, and 3. Next we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch right back into this space. Here we created our first petal. We're going to repeat this 4 more times. So one more time. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2, work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and slip stitch back into our space, like so. So I'm going to go ahead and work on the rest of my 3 petals, and then I'll meet you at the end. So here I have my 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we're going to do next is chain 1 and fasten off. I'm going to cut some yarn and pull out my hook. Now we have our 5 petals. We can shift them around a little bit just so they can look as even as possible. Now what we're going to do is work this back end into our work. So you're going to need your tapestry needle, and we're going to sew. I'm going to bring this back away from the front. That's our front. This is our back. And just kind of weave back and forth. What you can also do is just go around like so. Kind of helps you close the circle so it's not as open in the middle. So let's see, we're going to tighten as much as we can to close off our circle. And I'm just pulling the yarn and it helps it tighten. What you can do is use these ends to attach your work onto anything you want. You can even add a button in the middle or a rhinestone or even a pearl. Or if you don't want to and you're finished, you can just tie this off like so. I like to make 3 knots, so that's 2. 1 more, and you can just cut this off so it doesn't bother you, and you can glue this work or your flower onto anything you want. So here you can see this one has an opening and this one doesn't. Thank you so much for joining me today and crocheting this simple and beautiful flower.